This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so today we'll discuss about loop concept, guys. So before loop, hold on. Okay, before loop. Okay, now here I will explain one more thing. Okay, so how exactly switch statement will work. Okay, in real time scenarios. Okay, in real time scenarios, guys. Please be focused here. Hold on. Okay, now suppose here. Okay, so suppose I am working on suppose I okay I work okay here I work for sdfc.com, okay, like a sdfc application. Okay, so there is a project for banking domain for sdfc.com. Okay, now guys, so I will explain how exactly we can use switch statement. Okay, switch statement in real time scenarios. Okay, now please focus here. Suppose now my application url is like, okay, so like a www dot uh, sdfc.com. Okay, sdfc.com. Now guys, okay, so what happened, so there is one prerequisite is there. Okay, so in my automation scripting, or suppose in my java programming, first we need to launch our sdfc.com. Okay, what happens, so after launching our sdfc.com, so we have some, okay, user credential like username and password. Okay, so first we need to launch our, okay, just open url, okay, open sdfc.com on our web portal, okay, in our browser, okay, chrome browser. Okay, just enter www.sdfc.com. Okay, now here our credential is required, so like a username, okay, username and password. Okay, and then we'll, okay, just click on login button. Okay, so once we click on login button, so here we are landing, okay, landing on like sdfc home page. Okay, sdfc home page. Hold on guys, please be focused. Now here I will explaining switch statement, how exactly we are using switch statement in real time scenarios. Okay, so first we just launch sdfc.com, then enter username and password. Okay, finally we can click on login button. So once I just click on login button, so here we are landing on sdfc homepage, sdfc app. Okay, homepage. Fine. So this homepage, guys, okay, contain lot of links, guys. Okay, suppose if I want to, okay, for payment, like suppose I have one home loan. Okay, so for suppose home loan, so there is like auto payment option is there. Okay, auto payment link is there. Okay, suppose this is a auto payment link. Okay, okay, now suppose another make a payment, suppose I want to payment some another person, so there is some make a payment link is also there. Oh god. Okay, now suppose, mm, we need to, okay, auto payment, make a payment, suppose like again we can say like a monthly payment. Okay, in on some other source. Fine. So suppose, okay, monthly payment. So there are different kind of links are there, guys. We just click on auto payment, so auto payment page will get open. If I just click on make a payment, okay, just make a payment page will get open. If I just click on monthly payment, so some monthly payment, so auto payment having some data. Okay, like auto payment date. Fine, so particular username, like okay, your name, last name, date of birth. Okay, how much you want to pay as auto payment. Okay, same thing, same structure is also here. Okay, like a name, last name, date, okay, date of the payment. Then there is some submit button, next button, okay, confirm payment button. So too many things on these pages, like auto payment, make a payment, monthly payment. Now guys, how exactly we are using switch statement here. Okay, switch statement, guys, may I audible? Yes or no, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
now guys, please be focused. So okay, so oh god, guys, so these links, guys, these links are like, right now it's showing like a, in a string format. Okay, data type as a string, because okay, it's a combination of multiple character. Okay, now how exactly we can use switch expression here. Now suppose there is one script. Okay, so I just use for payment. Okay, suppose switch. Okay, switch. Now suppose I just pass payment. Okay, payment. Huh. Mm, payment. Okay, then we just open curly brackets, fine, and close curly brackets. Hold on. Now how exactly we are using this switch expression here? Okay, so in switch expression there are n number of case values. Okay, so n number of case value, and case value always, okay, it's matched with our expression. So payment is expression. Now case value, so instead of value I just pass here, suppose my link, first link, make a payment. Okay, so make a payment. Hold on, guys, hold on, I will explain this part. Hold on. Now, so okay, some codes are there for make a payment, so I just write code for like a name. Okay, first name, last name. Okay, date of birth, then date of the pay, okay, sorry, payment date, fine. Then we can say there is some submit button, next button, confirm button, confirm payment button, and finally we'll get some confirmation message. Okay, so these things we just, okay, added here. So some like a Java code, guys. Okay, something like a Java code. Okay, so same thing you can just here, it's a executable code. It's a executable code. So same thing for, this is our case first one, right? Control C. Okay, now here suppose this is a auto payment. Okay, so auto payment having some code. Okay, again, also we can use this monthly payment also, right? But it's fine. Okay, just hold. I just remove this part. Okay, only two case statements. Okay, case statements are there. Now here also we need to use break statement, guys, here. Okay, break is also there, like a break statement. Okay, here also break statement is also there. Okay, now what happens, suppose if I'm passing here, guys. Okay, suppose in bdd cucumber file we're using like a, okay, like, okay, we can pass this data, guys. Suppose, okay, I just pass, this is my parameter payment. Okay, payment, hold on. uh, okay, for a payment. So suppose for first scenario, okay, suppose I want, okay, there is one scenarios I want to make auto payment. Okay, auto payment. So we don't need to write a separate code for auto payment. Okay, we just pass, okay, key as a parameter. Okay, and just pass value, it's a like a make a payment, make a payment here. Okay, for second scenarios we don't need to write Java code. Okay, again, what happened here again, hold on. Okay, so it's a payment now, sorry, p is a small. If you are not getting, hold on, guys, I will explain this part again. Okay, payment is equal to like a auto payment. Auto payment, we just, okay, now payment is a string. Okay, payment expression, switch expression is in string. Okay, and we just pass string here, make a payment, auto payment. Okay, so for first scenario, if I'm passing payment is equal to make a payment, so again this script, this switch expression will work. Okay, suppose if I'm passing payment, sorry, something spelling mistake again. Okay, suppose if I'm passing payment is equal to auto payment, so this second case will get executed. Suppose if I'm passing payment is equal to make a payment, so this first case will get executed. Okay, we don't need to write a separate code for make a payment, auto payment, monthly payment. Okay, too many things are there, too many links are there. We just use this link as a string in our switch expression, and just pass this data from outside. Okay, we just pass this data from outside, payment is equal to make a payment. Okay, so if I'm passing payment is equal to make a payment, so it will check payment is equal to make payment here passing. Now it will execute this particular test case, make a payment. If I'm passing payment is equal to auto payment, so okay, Java code will execute your second statement. Okay, second case statement. Are you guys getting my point? At least okay, little bit, 10%. Yes or no, please.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, don't worry, don't
Yes,
worry. I
sir.
will explain this part later. Again, hold on. Now, guys, do one thing. Please capture the screenshot. It's a high level, okay, guys. And one more thing. Once you join as an automation test engineer, okay, just observe some switch statement. Okay, there are lot of switch statement in your scenarios, lot of switch statement, because we don't need to write a separate code for make a payment, auto payment, monthly payment. Okay, so we just added switch, okay, switch expression here, and just write those code in a case values. Okay, in a case value. That's it. Now guys, do one thing, please capture the screenshot. Okay, now I will explain most important stuff in automation scripting, or we can say as a Java, basic core Java. That is looping statement, guys. Okay, that is looping statement. So what is looping now? Okay, just hold on guys. Okay, just wait for only 5 to 10 minutes. Now I will write some statement and then I will explain whole thing. Okay, so what is loop here first? Okay, so when we need to execute the block of code, okay, when we need to execute the block of code several number of times, okay, so then we use looping concept here. Okay, if you're not getting, don't worry, it's same like a if else statement, guys. Okay, just something syntax is different. Hold on, I will explain each and every step. Hold on. Now, okay, so first I will write, there are 3 or 4 points, and then I will explain, guys. Okay, so when we need to, okay, execute the mm, block of code, okay, block of code several times, okay, several times. Okay, so then we use, okay, so we use loop concept here. Then we use loop concept. So loops are used to execute the set of code again and again. Okay, in simple thing, okay, in simple statement we can say loop. Okay, sorry, loop are, okay, so loop are used to execute the set of code, okay, again and again. Now how exactly the set of code will get execute again and again? Hold on guys, I will explain this part. Okay, most important stuff. Okay, in as an automation test engineer in our selenium scripting, we mostly use three statement. First thing, that is if else. Second one, switch statement. And last one, that is a looping statement. Okay, and looping having some also type. Okay, so there is first type mostly we use, that is a for loop. Okay, for loop. So how exactly for loop will get executed, guys? Okay, I will explain today. Hold on. Okay, for loop. So in case of for loop, okay, so for loop is used to like iterate the part of program multiple times. Iterate means retrieve. Okay, it will retrieve the part of program multiple times. Guys, just wait for only 5 minutes. I will write each and every step and explain through programming. Hold on. So, hold on, hold on. You can say for loop, okay, is used to iterate the part of program. Wait, okay, iterate the part of program multiple times. Okay, multiple times. So for loop is used to iterate the part of program multiple times. Okay, second thing. Okay, now hold on. There is some rules, huh, guys. These are some rules for loop. Just remember, only three rules are there. So for loop is used to iterate the part of program multiple times if number of iteration, if number of iteration is fixed. Okay, now, okay, too many stuffs are unknown, guys, don't worry. So what is number of iteration? First thing, what is iterate? How exactly it will loop will get execute again and again? Okay, like a multiple time. Each and every step I will show you guys through programming. Hold on. Okay, now always it is recommended, guys. Okay, always recommended to use for loop in industry. Okay, for loop in industry, for selenium scripting. Okay, in industry, in industry. Okay, otherwise it is recommended to use for loop. It's fine, it's fine. Okay, now there is one syntax. Okay, syntax for loop. First for, then open and close brackets, this is a parenthesis. Okay, first thing, that is a initialization. Okay, initialization. Hold on. Okay, that means it's our first condition. It's our uh, sorry, initialization, then semicolon. Okay, now we can use condition semicolon, and we can use increment and decrement. Okay, and then we use open close, okay, open curly brackets, and here we can use close curly brackets. Okay, hold on guys, and here this is a most thing, that is a statement executable code. Okay, we can say it's a executable code. Okay, executable code. Now how exactly this stuff will work, guys? How exactly this stuff will work, I will show you. Okay, so in case of for loop, okay, for loop is used to iterate the part of program multiple times if number of iteration is fixed. Okay, and it is used recommended to use for loop. And in a selenium scripting where we are using for loop, okay, in every scripting mostly we are using if else, for loop and switch statement. Most important stuff in a selenium scripting. Okay, now guys, please be focused. So what is the purpose of initialization? How exactly it will work? What is the purpose of condition? How exactly it will work? What is the purpose of increment and decrement? How exactly it will work? And how exactly this statement will work, guys? Because there are too many things are there: initialization, condition, increment, decrement, and then executable code. Okay, now guys, just wait for only 5 minutes. I will write. Okay, what is initialization? How data will get initialized? What is condition? And what is increment and decrement? Okay, and then how exactly for loop will get execute again and again. I will explain this part. Okay, now guys, so first thing, that is initialization. Okay guys, please be focused. So what is initialization? Okay, so initialization always happen with primitive data type. Always remember guys, I will explain, okay, each and every step through programming. Just wait for only 5 minutes. So initialization always happen with primitive data types, integer, float, double, long, okay, booleans. Okay, then these are our primitive data types. Fine. So initialization always happen with primitive data type. Now second point, okay, initialization, it's our first condition. Always remember, it's our first condition, or we can say it is our initial condition, or we can say it's our first condition. Sorry, it's our initial condition or first condition, which is uh, executed when loop start. Okay, when loop start, always remember. Okay, it is an initial condition which is executed when loop start. Okay, and last one, okay, we can say we can initialize, okay, initialize the variable, okay, the variable with data type. Okay, data type. Now guys, initialization always happen with primitive data type. So here we are, okay, we can initialize the variable with data type, primitive data type. It is an initial condition. It is an initial condition, or we can say it's a first condition which is executed when loop start. Now please focus, huh? Hold on. Now, for example, guys, please be focused. Please be focused. For example, now for, okay, now initialization is our first condition, and initialization. Okay, so we can initialize the variable with data type. Now, okay, how exactly it, okay, we are using here, guys. Please focus. Okay, so here we are using like int is our data type, I is equal to 0, and then semicolon. Okay, so here I'm initialize which variable, I variable is equal to 0 with our data type. Int is my primitive data type, guys. Int I is equal to 0. Okay, so here we can we can initialize the variable. Which variable? I variable. Initialize. Okay, it's our first condition with data type. Okay, this is our initialization. Now what is condition? Hold on. Okay, hold on, guys. I will explain each and every step. Don't, okay, just please be, okay, please just wait for some time, guys. Okay, 5 minutes, only 5 minutes now onwards. Now, what is condition? Okay, what is condition here? So please be focused. Okay, it is second condition actually. Okay, so initialization is your first condition, it's your initial condition. Okay, and condition is your actually second condition. Okay, which is most important stuff, condition. Okay, because of the condition your for loop will get executed, always remember. Okay, so it is the second condition which is executed each time. Okay, which is executed each time again and again to test the condition for the loop. Okay, for the loop. So it is the second condition which is executed each time. Okay, which is executed each time again and again to test the condition for the loop, to test the condition for the loop. Now second statement for condition. So it contains, okay, it contains execution until the condition, okay, the condition is false. Okay, so suppose if your condition is false, then and then it will break your loop. Okay, then and then your controller, okay, come out from the loop. Fine, came out from the loop. So it contains execution until the condition is false. And last statement, okay, always it return boolean value. It return boolean value. Boolean means true or false. Okay, either true, sorry, true. uh, am I audible? Hello?
Yes.
Yes. Yes,
Am
sir.
I audible, na?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, fine, fine, fine. Just wait for only 5 minutes, guys. I will explain through programming again. Okay, true and false. Just give me 1 minute. Now, what is condition here? Okay, what is condition, how exactly condition will work? Okay, now, so suppose, sorry, where is this? Here. Okay, so this is the initialization part. Condition is your second condition. Okay, now suppose if I'm using here I is less than, okay, 5. I is less than 5, so this is my second condition. Okay, this is my second condition. Now guys, please be focused here. Some statement. Okay, it is a second condition which is executed each time to test the condition. Now first I is equal to 0. Hold on, I will explain this part how exactly it will work. Okay, hold on. And return, it will return boolean value, either true and false. Okay, now just wait for only 2 minutes. Okay, now guys, okay, please anyone help me here. Okay, please anyone help me here. Okay, now after condition, okay, your increment or decrement will get execute or statement. Anyone, if anyone having some idea?
Statement. Statement will increment.
Exactly, statement. Now how, hold on, I will show you guys. Okay, so mm, so here, so this is our first condition, initialization I is equal to 0. I is less than 5. So 0 is less than 5. Now here it will, controller will check your second condition. 0 is less than 5. Yes, condition is true. And once if your second condition is true, okay, if your second condition is true, then your statement will get executed. Okay, then your statement here, okay, whatever statement is there, so this statement will get executed, guys, if your condition is true. And suppose if your condition is false, then your controller directly come out from the loop. Okay, it will controller directly come out from the loop here. Okay, so suppose if your condition is true, suppose your second condition is true, then your this statement for loop block will get executed, for loop block statement will get executed. Okay, now what is okay, so when increment and decrement will get happen, hold on. hold on. Just now wait for only 5, okay, only 2 minutes now, guys. Hold on. I will write this stuff and then I will explain through programming. Okay, hold on. So statement. Okay, so what happens in case of statement? So this is now this statement. You can say this statement of the loop. Okay, of the loop is executed. Is executed each time. Okay, each time until the second condition is false. Okay, so this statement will get executed. Actually, this statement will get executed again and again. Okay, whenever your second condition is true. Once your second condition is false, so your controller directly come out from the loop. That's it. Okay, and last that is increment and decrement. Okay, so it's simple one. Hold on, I will show you. Okay, if now this is, guys, okay, please be focused. Okay, this is our operator concept, unary operator, post increment concept. Okay, so in incr or decrement. Okay, decrement. So increment decrement means it's a increment or decrement the variable value. Decrement the variable, sorry, so variable value. Now guys, so till here it's a theoretical part. Now I will explain our programming stuff. Okay, now guys, hold on. So still, just give me only 1 minute. Like I plus plus. Now guys, do one thing. Now please capture the screenshot for loop. Okay, for loop. Okay, so for loop is used to iterate the part of program multiple times. So here iteration is fixed. Why? Because here I'm passing 5. Okay, 5 numbers. So iteration is fixed here. And it is, okay, actually it's recommended to use for loop in industry. Okay, so now guys, do one thing. Please capture the screenshot within 2 seconds. Fine. And now again. Okay, I will explain this part again. Hold on. Please capture the screenshot. Some theoretical part for initialization. Initialization means it's our initial condition. Okay, we can initialize the variable with data type. Condition is our second condition. Okay, just remember condition is your second condition. It will return only true, or it will return boolean value, either true or false. Okay, most important, suppose your second condition is true, then your statement will get executed. Okay, so the statement of the loop is executed each time again and again until the second condition is false. And once your second condition is false, so directly controller come out from the loop. Okay, so here always we can just increment the variable value with the help of increment and decrement. Okay, that is, it increment or decrement the variable value. So how exactly it will increment and decrement? Now I will show you through programming. Hold on guys. Okay, just give me only 1 minute. Hold on. So this PC D QE13 software. Hold on. Eclipse Java, Eclipse. Double click on Eclipse icon. Just wait for only 1 minute, guys. Okay, just hold on. Till do one thing. Again, please capture the screenshot. Please capture the screenshot. Do fast. Okay, again, please capture the screenshot. Last one. And just wait for only 1 minute, guys. Now I will explain whole thing. Okay, whole thing. Okay, now hold on. Just expand your project, src Java, right click on Java package, new, select class. Okay, now my class name is for loop, sorry, it's for loop first one. Okay, now click on finish. Now guys, most important stuff, so please be here, please be focused now. Okay, every Java programming required main method, just type ma control space enter main method. Okay, now still I'm not explaining this purple color word keyword package public class public static void. Okay, hold on. So just remember, this is our main method. Main method is a entry point of execution. Now guys, now please be focused here. Now I will directly use for loop here. For open and close curly brackets. So first condition, it's your initialization. Initialization always happen with data type. So int is a data type, I is equal to 0. So here I initialize which value, okay, which variable, I variable, semicolon. Now I is less than 5. This is my second condition. Okay, now I plus plus. Suppose my second condition is true, then our statement will get execute. Okay, suppose so control space fine. Now hold on, this is okay, this is a I value. We just after concatenate with I here. Okay, so this is a I. Now guys, hold on. How exactly it will work, I will show you. Okay, how exactly this for loop will get executed. Okay, now I is equal to 0. This is the initialization part. I is less than 5. This is your second condition. If your second condition is true, 0 is less than 5. Yes, 0 is less than 5. So what happen? Your statement will get executed. Your statement will get executed. But this statement will execute multiple time. Okay, this statement will execute multiple time. How? Hold on, I will show you. Just save your program, right click, okay, select run as, and now click on Java application. Hold on. Are you guys able to see here? This is I value 0, this is I value 1, this is I value 2, this is I value 3, and this is I value 4. So how exactly this statement will get executed guys? Multiple time, till 5 times. Okay, still I'm using here only one statement, printing statement, but how exactly this statement will get okay, okay, this executed 5 times. Okay, now guys, I will explaining here. Hold on. Just give me only 5, okay, to 1 minute. Hold on. I will explain this program. And this is the most important step because in our Selenium scripting, mostly we are using for loop concept. Okay, so this is the most important step, guys. Please be focused. Only 5 to 10 minutes now. Only 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, now I will explain this part. Guys, may I audible? Yes or no, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
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 Yes, sir.
Great, great, great. Now, please focus here. Now, okay, here I will explain our for loop concept. Okay, for loop concept, how exactly it will work. So, guys, please be focused. Okay, so first, my initial condition int I is equal to 0. Okay, now first condition I is equal to 0 here. Okay, now controller will check second condition. So 0 is less than 5. Okay, control will check 0 is less than 5. Yes, condition is true, and suppose if my condition is true, then control will execute your statement, execute your for loop block. Okay, execute your statement. So it will execute this statement. So is this condition true or false, guys? 0 is less than 5. True or false?
True.
True.
Yes,
True,
True,
true.
sir.
right? Yeah, first initial int I is equal to 0, 0, then 0 is less than 5, 0 is less than 5, yes, condition is true here. And suppose
Yes,
if your
true.
condition is true, then your statement will get execute. Okay, so this statement actually, it will execute this statement guys. Hold on, it will execute this statement. Now, I value here, it's a I value. Okay, hold on, I value, it's a 1 here. Hold on. Actually, what happened? Okay, so this is a I value. Okay, I value will get execute here guys. I value, that is a, this is a I value. Now I value is, sorry, it's printed sorry, it's printed 0.
Zero.
I value, latest value of I now it's a 0. Okay, now after printing this statement, this is the guys loop. Okay, loop will execute multiple times. Now after printing this statement, okay, after printing this statement, control will check is there any increment or decrement. Okay, is there? Yes, increment is there, I plus plus. Now your I value will increase. Okay, I value increase by 1. Okay, that is now second. So I value is equal to 1 here. Okay, again initialize our I value is equal to 1. Okay, so 1 is less than 5, so I is equal to 1. Again it will control check 1 is less than 5. 1 is less than 5. Your condition is true or false? False.
True.
True. True.
Exactly.
True.
Guys, please be
True.
focused. Please focus. Give me 5 minutes. Okay, so again, second time, I is less than 5, 1 is less than 5. That is, condition is true. Again, it will, okay, this is I value. Hold on, please be muted. I value, okay, is 1 now. Okay, now after the printing statement, again control will check increment is present. Okay, so again it will increment the value by 1. Now increment the value by 1, so third time I is equal to 2. Okay, now again I is equal to 2 because with the help of I plus plus. Okay, now 2 is less than 5. Okay, condition is again true. Okay, again it will print this is I value. Okay, 2. Fine. After this printing statement, again increment and decrement, increment will get happen. So again I plus plus means I, okay, increment the value by 1. Okay, increment the value by 1. So again now I plus, so 2 plus 1, that is I is equal to 3. So now initialize I is equal to 3, so 3 is less than 5. Again it will check 3 is less than 5. Okay, now condition is true here. Okay, so if your condition is true, then your statement will get print. So this is I value, this is I value, that is 3 here. This is a I value 3. Okay, and again after this printing statement, again increment will get happen. So increment by value 1 again at fifth time. Okay, I is equal to 4. Sorry, I is equal to 4. Now, so again it will take, so 4 is less than 5. Yes, condition is true or false, guys? It's false.
True.
True.
It's
True.
again, right?
True.
True. So again it will execute your statement. This is a I value. Sorry, this is I value. Okay, 4 because latest value of I is 4. Again control will increment the value by 1 after 4. Okay, at 6 time. So I value is equal to 5. Now guys, please help me here. 5 is less than 5. Condition is true, right?
False.
False.
Exactly, because it's not 5 is less than 5. No, 5 is less. Okay, it's not. Condition is false here.
False.
Okay, yeah, so condition is false. So what happens? So if your condition is false, so controller, okay, so controller
Not the loop.
come out from the loop and execute the next line of code. Okay, so what happened here? So here our condition, hold on guys, I'll write. So condition is false here. Okay, and suppose your condition is false, so uh, controller come out from the loop, sorry, from the loop, from the for loop. Okay, from the for loop and execute the next line of code. Okay, that's it. That's it. Are you guys getting my point till here?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you
Yes.
getting
Yes,
now?
sir.
Yes.
How exactly it will
Yes.
work?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
please focus. Now, please help me here. Okay, suppose if I'm using here like 10. Okay, so please help me here. How many times it will execute? 2 times, 10 times, 12 times, 5 times,
10 times 0 to 9.
10 times. Now,
10
means
times.
0
0 to
to
9, sir.
0 to 9
10
actually.
times.
Actually 0 to 9. Okay.
Yes.
So it will print, just select right click. Sorry, run as Java application. Hold on. hold on. Right click, run as Java application. Are you able to see here? This is I value 0, this is I value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, again increment the value by 1. So, okay, 9 plus 1, 10. So again it will check, 10 is less than 10? No, condition is false. So
False.
directly controller come out from the loop. Okay, come out from the loop. Now guys, suppose if I'm passing here I is equal to 5, I is equal to 5. Now how many times a statement will get executed? Anyone?
5.
5 times.
5 times, and it will start from 0 or 5.
5.
5.
5.
5 to 9.
Five.
It will start from 5
Five.
exactly. Now let's check. Right click, run as Java application. This is I value 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, are you guys getting till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Hold
sir.
on.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hold
Yes,
on.
yes, sir.
Hold
Yes,
on.
sir. Yes, sir.
Hold on. Now do one thing. Okay. Now guys. Okay. Don't need to write again. Just right click on program, run as, and Java application. Okay. There is some shortcut is there. Okay. Now hold on. Are you guys able to see here? There is like a play button. Are you able to see here? There is okay.
Yes.
There is some play button. Okay,
Yes.
not other thing guys, it's a like a okay large one, large play button. Okay, just select your program. Okay, save your program and directly click on this large play button. It will execute, because here now I is equal to 0, I is less than 5. So okay, it's printed. This is a I value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on, save your program. This is a I value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, are you guys getting my point till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. Okay, now one more thing. Hold on, guys. Okay, still I'm not explaining some naming convention. Okay, please capture the screenshot. Hold on. Okay, I will explain this part. Just okay. Where is this? Let me check. Just give me 1 minute. Screenshot of morning batch. Okay, hold on. Just give me 1 minute. Hmm, let me check. Here, guys. Okay, these things are still remaining, that's why I just okay. Now guys, naming convention, class name, every word first letter should be in uppercase letter. Okay, suppose if I'm creating any class, so always every word first letter. So first is my first word, Java is my, sorry, first is my first word. Okay, Java is my second word, program is my third word. So every word first letter, first first letter F, Java having first letter J, program having first letter P. So every word first letter should be uppercase letter while creating your Java class. Okay, I will show you here. Okay, suppose I just right click on Java package, new. Okay, class. Suppose now, okay, here I'm creating a class, guys. Suppose Baliraj automation. Baliraj is the first key, okay, first word. Automation is a second word. But here I'm creating a Java class. Always start with uppercase letter. B is in uppercase letter, A is in uppercase letter. Okay, and now click on finish button. Okay, so Baliraj automation. First word, first letter should be in uppercase letter. First, okay, now again, every word first letter should be in uppercase letter. B is in uppercase letter. A is okay, A is start with uppercase letter. So every time, guys, this is the most important stuff. So naming convention. So for while creating a class name, every word first letter should be in uppercase letter. Okay, first Java program. Now package name, all letters should be in lowercase letter. Okay, all letters should be lowercase letter. Java package. So all letter. Suppose again I will show you. Okay, while creating, suppose this is a Java package. Again I will create another package. Right click on src new. Okay, src new. Okay, there is one, okay, folder like a package. Just select package here. Okay, now I'm creating here. Okay, now suppose Viraj package, all letters should be in lowercase letter. Suppose I just start with uppercase letter. Are you guys able to see here? Discourage package name. By naming convention, by convention, package name usually start with lowercase letter. So always, okay, always remember guys. Okay, package name always use in a small case letter, lowercase letter, and then directly click on finish button. Okay, so this is a Baliraj package. You can see it's our package name. Are you guys getting these two stuff? How you can create a class name, some naming convention for class name and package name? Yes or
Yes.
no, please?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, most important, most
Yes.
important. Okay, hold on. Now, most important, variable name. Variable name. Okay, how we can defining a variable name like integer. Okay, like integer data is equal to 50. Integer Anna is equal to Chinna Swami, Muthu Swami, Venugopal Iyer. Sorry, string. Okay, string Anna is equal to in double quote Chinna Swami, Muthu Swami, Venugopal Iyer. So Anna is a nickname of Chinna Swami, Muthu Swami, Venugopal Iyer. But while creating a variable name, okay, like a data or Anna, whatever, okay, first word, first letter should be small. So here, customer is our first word. So first word, first letter, C is a first letter. Okay, first word, first letter should be small. And every word, after every word, first letter should be in uppercase letter. Okay, after every word, first letter should be in uppercase letter. Now guys, customer is my first letter, company is my second, sorry, customer is my first word, company is my second word, name is my third word. First word, first letter, C is a first letter, should be in small case letter. Now every word first letter should be start with uppercase letter. C is in uppercase letter. N is a uppercase letter. Here employee account number. Employee is start with lowercase letter. Account word. A start with uppercase letter. Number start with number. Okay. N is start with uppercase letter. Are you guys getting my point till here? How we can create a variable name? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, got it. Now last one, method name. First word, first letter should be small, and after every word, first letter should be in a uppercase letter. Same thing. Make payment, M is in small case letter. First word, first letter should be small. After every word, okay, first letter should be uppercase letter. So payment is a second word, start with the uppercase letter. But in last we use open and square, okay, open and close brackets, that is a parenthesis. And we can use open curly brackets and close curly brackets. So we can say it's our method body. Make a payment method body. Okay, make a payment method, we can say it's a make payment method. Fine. Are you guys getting till here? Class name, package name, variable name, and method name. How we can create class name, package name, variable name, and method name for naming convention. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
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 Now,
Yes, sir.
yeah, this is single
Yes.
line comment. Okay. If I want to comment some part, okay, suppose just double. Okay, for single line comment. Okay, for single line comment, suppose you just use here. Hold on. Where is for loop? Okay, we can just use here. Okay, so this is our main method. Okay, we just define here. Okay, so from here it's our main method. So it's a comment thing, guys. Okay, that's it. Now guys, do one thing. And for multi-line comment you just use, okay, forward slash star, okay, whatever you want to comment, and end of the statement star and again close. That's it. Guys, do one thing, please capture the screenshot, this one, naming convention. Okay, actually, sorry guys, I just, okay, forget this part, naming convention. Fine, please capture the screenshot, naming convention. Okay, so tomorrow I will explain while loop, do while loop, for each loop. Okay, and guys, not Wednesday, Thursday onwards, I will start our Selenium part. Okay, still some oops concept and more things are still remaining, but okay, I will take some time Selenium and then I will okay take some weeks for Java. Okay, Java. And Thursday onwards, I will start our Selenium part. Fine. Tomorrow I will take our while loop, do while loop, for each loop. Okay, this part and these concepts are most important, guys. Okay, don't take it lightly. Okay, because this looping statement for okay if else statement, then switch statement. Okay, operator concept we are mostly using our Selenium scripting. Okay, because we are automate our web application with the help of Selenium and Java programming language. So Java is a backbone of Selenium scripting. Backbone, guys, always remember. Okay, without Java we are not able to execute any Selenium script. Okay, any our web application. So programming language is must, it's required for every automation scripting. Okay, now guys, so that's it for today. Okay, now hold on. Please practice at your end. Now I will take a break. Please be muted.
Can I ask one basic question?
Yes, 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 please.
Uh, we are using Java 1.8 version. So
Hmm.
how we can say that it is a stable version? On
Yeah,
which
hold on.
basis?
Yeah, I will show you. While okay, start our Maven project. I will okay, definitely I will show you. Okay,
Okay.
1 point.
And
Okay, don't worry. Don't
another one question, can we pass multiple arguments in switch statement?
worry. Yes, yes, yes. Already we can pass multiple case statement. Okay, we already discussed this point. We can pass multiple n number of case value in switch statement. Okay,
Okay.
here, right? Here, hold on.
Baliraj,
Here, right? So here we can pass
Yes.
multi. Yes.
No, no.
So
I am
here,
asking about here is payment. Payment, then we can pass another one value or
no,
uh,
no.
so only one value is
Yeah, yeah, only one value because payment is a here is a expression type is a string, so it's
okay.
matching because here I'm passing again case value is a make a payment. So make a payment and this payment, okay, expression and case value must be match. Okay, only a single data type. Okay, must be match with type only. Okay, so suppose if I'm passing in any integer value, so definitely it will not work. Fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
Now, guys, I will take a break. So please start practicing at your end. Otherwise, definitely will get trouble.
One last question, Baliraj, not
Yes.
the question. Just
No, no,
can you just go to the where you have explained the for loop execution? I need to just take a screenshot.
okay, no issue. Okay, today onwards, actually, I will okay share all screenshot. Don't worry.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
no, don't worry. Now, again, please capture
uh,
the screenshot.
Baliraj, one question.
Yes, 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 please.
Hello?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes, yes,
actually,
please.
when this arrays and string concept will happen,
Wednesday, after day after tomorrow.
arrays and strings, right?
Yeah, arrays and string. Yes, day after tomorrow.
Oh, okay,
Okay, and then I will start
okay.
Thursday onwards. Yeah, yeah, Thursday onwards I will start selling and stuff. Fine. Okay. Thank you. Now I will take a break.